business users have been knocking on my door a lot lately and saying, we have a new CFO, we've got budget restrictions. We want to take this data and we actually want to identify what the biggest variances are and then organize them into meaningful categories. And then also explain whether the change was caused by timing, price, volume, or a one-time event. That just gives our CFO and or managers a clear narrative instead of a spreadsheet full of unexplained numbers. I'm not going to throw all three of those prompts in. I'm going to do them one at a time just so we can build up some of that trust with Claude. I'm additionally going to also upload the budget that you have access to in the form of a download. Now, since I have this data analysis comparing actuals to budget, this is what it gave me back. It's already easier on the eyes. I'm already more inclined to pay attention. And so this was the output of our first prompt, which is great. It looks gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and grab that second prompt. I'm just going to drop this in here. So it went through the data set and it told me that I have 3 account types. Amazing. And then it says the most meaningful bucketing here is actually by business unit, since that's where the operational groupings live. Let me build that out plus a view by account type. So I've got this view by business unit, by account type, and then the actuals and the budget. Okay, just for reference, you can see how scrappy this initial Google Sheet looks. It's got headers that say scenario, account, amount, month, and business unit. This is it. So this first chart that you're seeing, Claude created. I just uploaded the budget spreadsheet and asked Claude to compare the actuals to the budget and identify the top positive and negative variances by the dollar amount, and then build a color-coded horizontal bar chart. Now you can see my variance bucketing dashboard. So this is a dashboard with KPI cards for each business unit showing total actuals, budget, dollar variance, and percentage misses, and they're all grouped into a bar chart. And then last, you can see an interactive sensitivity table. I asked Claude to build this to show what happens to net income if revenue moves plus or minus 10%. Data's great, but insight's even better. Communicating that insight is really the full circle moment that we are going for here.